that's it. Thank you for watching. I know this was pretty ass. I'm new to this whole YouTube stuff. Obviously, I've never made a 100 sub special, so this was pretty bad. Those ears, by the way, I'm never wearing that shit again. Don't get me wrong. I had fun making this and everything, but I'm never wearing that shit again. Don't expect me. But yeah, I had a good laugh. This was pretty funny to make. I had fun. I hope you guys did as well. But I'll catch you all in the next one. Adios.